Here's how to join the Forge Discord server. First, what you need to do on your Discord, click on the Add a Server options. And then afterwards, you'll be redirected on this page. Now, what you need to do is to click on the Join a Server options. After clicking on the Join a Server options, you will be able to see there the link that you need to paste or the invite link. Or you can just go ahead and type the Forgers. Go afterwards, what you need to do is to click on the Join Server. After clicking on the Join Server, you have to wait for a few seconds until you will be able to see there the option or the server, which is the Forge. Now what you need to do is to wait for a few seconds once again because it is customizing your experience. And then afterwards, what you need to do is to click on the Finish options. After customizing the Forge server, that is up to your liking.